Here's how to transform a plain stool into a colourful nursery side table using mosaic and decoupage techniques. For this project, you'll need an old stool, clear drying PVA glue, coloured paper or thin cardstock, a sponge applicator, ruler, scissors, tweezers, pencil and cutting knife. You'll also need the printable template sheet, or you can create your own mosaic design. The first thing to do is cut out your templates and use them to trace and cut all the mosaic shapes from the coloured paper. If you're designing your own, you can use a ruler and pencil to measure and draw your shapes for cutting. Once you've got all your shapes cut, it's time to apply your first layer of glue. If you can dismantle the stool for this, it might make creating easier. Working quickly while the PVA is still wet, lay out your paper shapes in the design of your choice. Use the tweezers to help position each shape. Feel free to reapply the glue when necessary. Once this initial layer is fully dry, gently coat the entire top surface of the stool in a thick, even layer of glue. Try to avoid bubbles here. You can also do the sides if you wish. Leave this to dry completely, then repeat this process with a few more thick and even layers of PVA, allowing each layer to dry completely before applying another. You basically just want the paper to be completely sealed with glue, so it's up to you how many layers you want to do. Set your new side table up in the nursery so you can stash all your go-to supplies in easy reach.